This tutorial is the second part of the Google Docs training. Please make sure you're in the correct Google account. Go to your Google Apps. Go into Docs. I'm going to click on a blank lesson for this tutorial. When you click up here, it saves the title as you learned in section 1. We're at the Insert section. This is the way to insert an image. You can upload it from a previously saved image on your computer. You can search the web. If you have photos saved in your drive, in Google Photos, or if you have a specific URL, or you can get it from your webcam. Nobody wants to see a picture of me, so I'm going to take that out. You can insert your table. You can insert a drawing that you have. You can make a new drawing. You can insert a chart. Horizontal lines, footnotes, special characters, equation, headers and footers, your page numbers, if you want a page break or a section break. You can also insert a link. I do not own the copyright issues to this YouTube video. And then whenever they click on it, it will hyperlink them to that video. You can comment on here if you're working on it together, if you want to remember to leave yourself some notes. And you can do a table of contents breakdown, like if you're going to do an outline or something. On the format option, here's all of your format options. I'm not going to go through each of them because most of you know these ones. Paragraph style, align and text, your line spacing to create more than one column, your bullets and numbering, headers and footers again, page numbers again. Clear formatting is important if you copy and paste something, let's say from an email or from a Word document or pages, and you put it in and it looks ugly, you would just select it and click clear formatting, and then you could insert your own, or sometimes it allows you to match the formatting when you're inserting. In your tools, your spelling and grammar check, a word count, and these on the side are your quick keys, so you can do it quickly. Translate the document. This is something super cool, especially in an area if you live where there are more than one language that is being spoken. Voice typing is really neat. I don't have my microphone turned on and I need to change that in my personal settings, but that's how you would get to there. So very cool. And these are add-ons. I definitely suggest to explore add-ons that Docs offers. It could definitely be a help to you and your classroom. I hope this tutorial really helped you with Google Docs and you have a nice understanding of this platform. Thank you.